Hey everybody, I'm Andy, and I'm unedited, unscripted, and I am unsupervised. Yeah, I am unsupervised. And I'm also uncensored. That's it. Anyway, you know the drill, I guess. I'm working on this project. I need to try to rip this board real quick. My wife's going to be home, pretty soon. And I'm gonna try to get this thing done before she gets here to get the garage straightened back up so she can pull the car right into the warm garage because she likes that sort of thing. And I'm gonna hoist this thing up there and hopefully I'm gonna rip it. Hopefully it's gonna come out pretty good. Let's see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing. You can see this saw's pretty new. This board is damn heavy. God. I remodeled our middle bathroom and bought this. I don't know, man. I don't know why I bought this. I bought two of them, and I really didn't need it. But I had it, and I don't know if you can return this kind of stuff. Of course, nowadays I could probably sell this thing for $100. I don't know. God. All right. So get back over here. Hopefully lined up here somewhat decent. Ugh, not really. This thing's monster, man. This thing is a fucking monster. Just to give me a little helping hand there. Get this shit off of here. I'm scared. Just a little. Let's see if I can get this thing centered a little better. God damn. All right, let's try that. All right, son of a bitch. So I'm looking like I'm pretty much right up on that edge. I got my blade depth good. Let me double check this blade here. I'm at 2 feet here. It actually went out just a little bit. Cheap ass saw. just ain't, it's just not really the best. Oh, that's too much. I'm trying to fine tune this thing, man. You know, I don't really want to do this but one time. And that's it there, right there on the money, right there. Hell yeah. I believe that's on the money right there. Right? Yep. And at the end of the day, once I fuck this up, all I have to do is just flip it around and put the nice clean edge on the outside. Nobody will see the messed up edge. It's going to be against the wall, so it really doesn't matter. I just need to cut the damn board, really, and get this thing going so my old lady can. See what I did? I pulled the damn thing off and I lifted up on it and it didn't finish cutting. Didn't finish cutting the damn board. Let's see if I can fix that. Good. I don't know, man. If I don't fuck something up, probably not what I'm supposed to do. that's all she wrote, man. So the board's cut, and that's what I needed to do. And I needed to do it kind of quickly so I can. This stuff out of the way and get this thing back in here. Good ladder and all, but how do you tell? Let me get this stuff out of the way. Got a big old mess. A big mess here. Get it out. Close my door. It's getting cold in this garage. I don't like it to get too cold in the garage. Oh, that there. Slide this over here. And get this mess out of here. All right, folks. So hey, you know, got sidetracked there. Well, not really sidetracked. I had to rip that board. You know, I'm not polished here. I'm not edited or anything. We're not doing these garage shelf videos and, you know, editing them down to 27 minutes or something like that. Maybe I should. I don't know. You tell me. I'm not opposed to learning something. At present, I don't know how to edit. So I'm not editing. So that's basically that deal. Let me get this thing in here. Straighten this stuff out. And get this mess straightened out here. There we go. Alright, so that. That'd be fine. Have a getting my grill in here. Where are we at on time on this one? We're out of time, folks. It's 15:20. So that's it, man. I got that board ripped. I didn't look at it, but it's good enough. If it doesn't look good to me, then I'll just put the bad cut against the wall and have the green thing on the outside. But anyway, that's, you know, that's what I'll do. So thanks for watching it. If you've watched it this far, I guess I'm doing something right, and I appreciate you watching it. Hope I'm entertaining you, maybe teaching you something. Just winging it. I've watched other videos, so I know kind of what I'm doing. I've got the tools pretty much, so I can have the tools to do it. So I'm just doing it, and 15 minutes at a time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell all your friends. Bye-bye.